welcome back. So we are continuing with our previous video. So we discussed about how we will modify application dot proper how we will modify server dot port. So we already started our application in 8080 port. So the first one is very simple. Anybody can do server dot port, and we need to mention which port I'm going to start our application. So here I just put server.port 8088, and here my application starting in 8088. But what exactly I'm going to do is these things, this being ConfigurableServletWebServerFactory. So we will copy that into our application somewhere in our application or any configuration place. So here I can copy this in the my application main class. That's a possibility, and we can add these things into some other places also. So right now everything is fine, and we put 8081 here and application.properties 8088. So based on these two properties, this is actually a conflict. I have two server.properties. Which one it will take? That is also a question here. So I'm just restarting my server, and we will see in which port it is starting. So it's the priority is going to this one, application.properties. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just commenting out this one. So I guess this one will work, otherwise we can remove, and we will start that application once again. We will see that started in 8081. So right now the priority, since there is no priority, only one, there is no conflict, only one pin we have, it will take from here. So that are the two things that we discuss later. Not later, we discuss on these videos in this yeah, that are the two things we discuss right now, server.port, and this basically there is no difference. If I am using application.yaml instead of application.properties, the the way I am representing 8081 will be different. So that's also fine, that we don't have any, yeah, we don't need to discuss that here. So if I have application.yaml, I can have that server.port. Maybe I can discuss that also. Copy refactor copy file YAML or YML, whatever. So it will accept YAML and YAML, and YML both will work in this scenario. And whenever you are typing server.port, and I put 8088 here, please put a space, since that's the way we are usually doing on the application.yaml. So right now it's started here. And another question probably we will have in this scenario. So I put A0 also here. I guess in this case, in properties case, we should have this one instead of colon, we will put equals. So here what's going to happen is it will take the application.properties one, application.yaml one will not take because this is like an overriding. So that's another thing. So and the other one, then we are going to the third one, VM arguments. So I have the application modify options, add VM options. Here I can add -d server dot port equal to 888. I need to verify that's the way. So you're saying like -d server port equals. So that's almost same, I guess. So we are fine in this case, and we will apply that and OK, and we will restart. So let's see what's going to happen in this case. So it's started in 8080. So whether we add this one, oh, 8080 is from here, right? Yeah, 8080 is from here. So right now it's taking application.properties. So right now I am deleting all the properties things. I will restart my application. It started in 8081. So 8081 where I defined 8081. So this is 8888. So it's not that the one. So it's taken from here. So I'm commenting out this code. Then I will restart my application. So right now I have only the VM variables, and it's starting in 8080. So we had a problem in defining our VM argument here. So -d server.port -d. So why is not working? Add VM options server.port. Add VM options server.port Springboard. So there is some issues on that one. I don't know why it's not working. It should work. Okay, I put that to we are restarting our server once again. 081 is not taking that one. So probably we have some issues here. Instead of using D server port, I use D Springboard run gm arguments. Workspace.xml. So it will not do in that way. They are saying like D Springboard JVM arguments. So that we need to provide or something. So that's the only way it will work, as they are saying. So if I put that things, probably these things will work. Hopefully, okay. Still is not taking from there. So there is how to change default port in. Minus Okay, they are saying like it's only possible in the case when we are doing from command line. Otherwise, it will not. JVM port options, it will not work. As this they are saying, but probably there will be something else. Yeah. Anyway, so the that one probably we need more. Probably we need more. I mean more research. So that's all. Yeah, we are going to stop this video right now. So basically, three things we are okay. We are setting this one application dot properties application yaml. The only problem that's happening in this scenario is the edit configuration is not working what we expected. Environment variables, allow multiple instances, add VM options, modify class path, shorten command line, specify class packages. Is there anything that we can separate environment variable? I guess I don't know whether server dot port not an environment variable. Okay, okay then. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.